Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we are going to discuss on 5 instruction that must be in or that example of coding in emulator A086. A simple instruction, I think. So let me present first. So firstly, this is subtraction instruction. So we need to move L. We use AL because it is the required operation code, the required opcode. So AL 3, the value is 3F hex. So load AL with 3F and then move BH 23H, load BH with 23, and then subtract AL BH. Subtract BH from AL, so the result will be in AL. So emulate here and then run. So you will get the result here. AX equal to 1C. The result in AL is the results in, so AL, AL here, AH here. So AL is the lower neighbor part of X. So you will get 1C. So next we move to the second instruction. Set cursor position. Set cursor position is you want to change your cursor, you need to move AH02, which is the the requirement for you move your cursor position, and then BH00 to open the new display or the new page, and then the L20 D on the lower part is 20, and then the H10 interrupt 10H, and then you emulate. So this one you move um your set cursor position emulator here, you will see that you get new cursor position. Okay, next we move to the third instruction. Display only J. Display only J letter. So move AH02. Option 2 is to display one character. And then move the L J. J is holds by the L. And then interrupt 21H. Then you will, and then run. Okay, you will get only J here on the emulator screen. So let us move to the third instruction. Subtract. On the fourth instruction, display Z in many times. Okay, first you must to make it make an intro on your coding. Is it a simple coding? So is if your coding is a simple coding, you must put org 100H, as it will suit for COM 64K of EMU8086, and then add your code here at below the introduction. Move AH09 because single input. BH00 you want to display new page, display new screen. AL5AH, 5A is a Z code in ASCII code. Move CX 50H is a counter loop so that you will get Z in 50 times, and then move BL to FH. To FH is a code for green on blue. Then interrupt 10H and then return. So you emulate this, you will get and then run. You will get Z in 50 times, and then the Z will be green and the background is will be blue. So okay, we move to the last instruction. We will change our CGA color, which is first you must to set mode option, move AH00, and then move AL03. AL03 is sorry, 03 is the code for you change your CGA color text mode of 80 times 25 in your emulator screen. So you need to run with codes AL. You need to use register AL, sorry, and then interrupt 10H and then move AH09 to display your option. Usually 09 is too too sorry, 09 you need to use because you have to do single input only, and then move BH00 because you want to display your page 0, and then move AL 20H. 20H is a code for ASCII, which is equal to space. If you could make some revision on introduction of microprocessor and microcomputer, you will find 20H is for space, and then move CX 800 times 800H, counter loop 800 times, repeat it 800 times, and then BL 1FH. 1F is the high intensity white on blue. So BL is the display, SBH is on the SBH is the display too. So we emulate this and then we run it here, and then you will get a blank blue high intensity blue. You don't get white because there will be no letter here because you code it as space AL20H, so you don't get any letter here. So that's all from me.